welcome to my viewers, my lovely viewers of Fruitful Rambutan Smoothie. Today I am presenting a new plant with regard to the cultivation of these big plants. I am directing to cultivate these big plants. There are totally 30 numbers. These 30 numbers we are going to plant in 50 cents of property. We are going to make a instant marvelous plantation in 50 cents of property by these plants. See this plant. This is already 8 years old. We got 5 years. This 5 years already flowered. We got 30 to 40 kg rambutans per year. We are getting. This is 8-year old plant. This type of plants, 8-year old plants, are totally 15 numbers totally. Then see this plant. This is already 5 years old plant, 5 years aged plant. We got 3 times it is already flowered, and we got 10 to 30 kg, 10 to 30 kg fruit already 1 year. These type of plants are totally 15 in numbers. So 8-year aged plants 15 numbers and 5-year aged plants 15 numbers, totally 30 numbers. So we have to make 30 numbers of big rambutan plants for cultivating in 50 cents of property. Okay, then you may think, what is the privilege with regard to this plant, this type of plants? This is already protected, immunized plants, these plants, because apt climate for rambutan cultivation is 20 degrees Celsius to 35-36 degrees Celsius. If the temperature comes to 40 or 42, up to 42, maximum 42, this plant will protest against the temperature and no problem will come. With regard to the cultivation, no problem with regard to the growing of these plants. Okay, I have told that these plants already immunized against the high rise of temperature, because after climate for cultivation of rambutan is 20 degrees Celsius to below 20 degrees Celsius, more than 20 degrees Celsius to 35 up to 36 degrees Celsius. But this is already immunized, so we can keep this rambutan plants in 42 degrees Celsius. So high rise of temperature in summer, no problem. These plants will resist, no problem. Okay. Then with regard to the cultivation of these plants, we have to make minimum a 26 feet distance. 26 feet distance with each plants. 26 feet distance. So we are going to make a marvelous instant garden in 50 cents of land by cultivating these 30 numbers of plants. And now I am presenting one more aspect, is that it's a business demand. I am demanding totally 5 lakhs rupees for total these 30 numbers of plants. Demanding 5 lakhs rupees for these 30 numbers. Then with respect to the another cost, that is loading, transportation and cultivation. Cultivation in another land. So that we have to spend minimum 1 lakh rupees. So for making the instant garden in 50 cents of property, we have to spend 6 lakhs rupees. 5 lakhs rupees cost of these trees and 1 lakh rupees next cost. Transportation and cultivation and loading. Okay. Any of my viewers can approach me who are ready to spend 6 lakhs rupees for making a marvelous instant garden. Only thing is 6 lakhs rupees, because I am ready to engage everything. I am ready to plant. I have my own peoples, my own employees to plant these rambutan plants. I am ready to, my peoples are ready to load these plants and transport these plants and plant these plants into your land. Only thing, only spend 6 lakhs rupees. This is my demand. Then my presentation with regard to the benefit of the cultivation by these 13 numbers of plants, because when you cultivate these plants into your land, within 1 year the size of the plants will be doubled. Within 1 year, surely within 1 year the size of the plants will be doubled. Now we are getting 30 to 50 kg, 30 to 50 kg from this 8-year-old plants, and 10 to 25, 30 from that 5-year-old plants. So when we newly cultivate these plants into your land, then within 1 year the size of the plants will be doubled. Same time, the production of the plants will be doubled. So you will get a marvelous profit within 1 year. That is the benefit. That is the privilege of this plan. So my viewers who are likes to approach me for committing this business, I am happy. Okay. Sorry, one thing I forgot to submit, that this video, this English presentation, specially made for people who don't know Malayalam, because I have lodged one Malayalam video with regard to the same business. So this video is for who don't know Malayalam. Okay, thank you, my viewers. Thank you for the patient hearing. What is the main privilege? Please think, my viewers, that we can save 5 to 8 years. 5 to 8 years we can save. Nowadays, time is more important than money. So we are saving 5 to 8 years. That is the main privilege. Please think, my viewers, and come to the business. Okay.